If you have the problem of Instagram cold and refresh feed, this video is gonna help you a lot. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is just click on the settings and then go to the apps manager. Click here on the apps, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find Instagram and then click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Right here you will find the options and the settings of the app on your phone. All what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the force stop right here. That's the first important step. And then go down, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Then go back, click on the open by default option, click on the open supported links in the app, make sure it's on always allow, and then go back.